Good day, everyone. This is Midshipman Backless Sam Ronald G. Today, let's talk about San Dionisio. Municipality of San Dionisio. In 1877, the Spaniards came to this place. The natives who had their houses near the seashore called this Lakdayan. San Dionisio was first named Lakdayan. The natives call it Lakdayan because of its sand connecting to the other island in San Dionisio. Then, Dionisio renamed it as San Dionisio because he was the leader and the oldest among the natives. The Spaniards established a seat of government in Concepcion, and San Dionisio was part of the said municipality. Sara was also a part of Concepcion. The head of local government of Concepcion was called Capitan, while the subordinate leaders in San Dionisio were called Tenientes and Cabeza de Barangay. Dionisio was the leader and the oldest among the natives, and he's the one who named our town San Dionisio. Dionisio was the modest and humble fisherman of Lakdayan, or known as San Dionisio. The municipality of San Dionisio, a fourth-class municipality in the province of Iloilo. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 39,048 people. San Dionisio has a land area of 127.06 kilometers or 46.06 square meter and has 29 barangay. San Dionisio has a patron called Saint Vincent Ferrer. San Dionisio is led by our own municipality mayor, Mayor Darwin Junjun Bahada, and his vice mayor, Irma Perez. We have a festival called Panaad Festival, and we celebrate it on May 5th of the year. We also celebrate Seaweeds Festival on December 5th because San Dionisio is known as Seaweeds Capital of Iloilo. One of our tourist spots in San Dionisio is Suwa Beach. People go in Suwa Beach for family bonding. Then we have Havillana Beach. It is a peaceful beach and nice to walk if the tide is low. Next is Dafalongs. It is great place to chat with friends and family. You can go and eat at Dafalongs and watch their beautiful flowers in their garden. Lastly is Bukid ni Tatay Torio. It is a wonderful place to go and relax because it is a problem-free place. You can go in Tatay Torio place to unwind and look at the view at a seaside view.
Mga tao kapag idamit ka na aking puno. mo na po siyang kapalaran.